Hello, I'm Sarah B. Welcome to my little channel. I'm here today to open up my fourth Nadine West bag, number 4. Number 3 was, they've all been not quite to my liking, and I think that's probably just my fault. But after my last disappointing bag, I thought I owed them another chance, and so here we go. I'm going to apologize for the noise. It's beautiful weather where I am in the northeastern part of the country, and my windows are open. I live on a busy street, so sorry. I have my bag. Nadine West is a subscription service. It's $10 for shipping, not a styling fee, it's a shipping fee. Pay $10 that gets credited towards whatever you purchase. Don't rip the bag, because you have to use this bag to send it back. If you don't keep anything, you lose your $10. Yeah. I've had very weird experience. I think I'm just a picky person. I think I'm just very picky and not terribly fashionable, and so a lot of the stuff that they're sending me, while it would be very cute on someone who is trendier or someone who is a smaller size than I am, it just doesn't work for me. I think, I have a suspicion that the service, even though they have sizes that go well into the plus range, I feel like it's mostly geared for smaller people. They just don't know what to do with me. I'm not blaming them. But we'll see what today brings. We shall see. All right, here we go. Oh, 1 bundle. 2 bundles. The colors are very me. I mean, black and dark green. And this purple is actually really nice. I'm also really bad at holding things up so the camera can see, so I'm really sorry about that. The purple's nice. Let's dig in and see what we can find. Writing theme song. I feel like there's something else. There it is. I heard something. Some jewelry. 3 pieces of jewelry. Oh, I can find... I have to dig in the bag. Uh-oh. Oh, no. It is a cold shoulder top. I had told him specifically, I don't wear cold shoulder tops because I'm always cold. You get a little box. You don't get to with Stitch Fix, for example. You send a note to your stylist for every fix. You can say, this is what I'm looking for. This is what's going on. You don't really get to do that, but you do have, a box where you can put in information, and I specifically said no cold shoulders. So that's a little disappointing that they weren't reading what I was writing, but I love the color, so I'm going to try it on. But that's a little disappointing. All right, let's look at some jewelry. This looks like a necklace. She's a little bit tangled in the traveling process. No, it's not that bad. It's a heart. Is it a locket? No, it's just a heart. But look, it's a hollow pendant. Very light. Necklaces are hard for me because I have a little one who thinks that all of my things belong to her. That was sweet. Here is a bracelet. With little green stones. Let's see if it fits. Bracelets often don't fit on my very chunky wrists. Come on. There we go. does. A lovely little bracelet. And what else? Oh my. Okay. These are a little bit much for me. Some silver earrings. I don't know what these are called. They're fun. They're like all the pieces move. So if you like fiddly jewelry, this would be really great fiddly jewelry. Once I go through everything and try stuff on, I will go through the price list. So never fear. We will get there. I should probably take this off before I forget I have it on. Alright, never mind. Bundle 2. So that was 3 pieces of jewelry and a top. Nadine West, you can get between 5 to 7 pieces shipped at any given time. So it looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. Oh, it's like a little cardigan. Which is perfect because I'm always cold. It's actually really nice. It's just a simple black cardigan. It's jersey weight, so it will work really nicely for me throughout the summer months because it's always over air conditioned. Always. So carrying something around is essential. And this last top, hippie chick. I've seen a lot of hippie chick stuff. It's a color block top, long sleeves. It's not particularly springy. It's a little more autumnal, I'll say. But it's a good length. And it's always like all the hippie chick stuff is like really soft. Alright. I'm gonna get this bracelet off my wrist and start trying things on. So here's the cold shoulder top. It's supposed to be a dress, I think. It's like long enough that people who don't mind things that go above their knees would wear it as a dress. And it has pockets, and that's really great. It's jersey and lightweight and comfy, and not for me. My shoulders, like, it just feels weird. I'm really uncomfortable, so I'm gonna pass. But I tried it on. I tried it. This just is not working out. My luck, I would just get sunburned right there one day and be miserable. All right, more soon. And here's the color block top. It's jersey, super comfy, really stretchy. It's cut really strangely. Maybe strange is not the right word. Really differently. It has these really big cutouts on the sides, which I don't think I love. Otherwise, it's really comfy. The sleeves are really good length. I like long sleeves, and it's jersey and comfy and stuff. I just don't see myself wearing it. All right, one more thing to try on. I guess I'll just throw it on over this. Is the just like the lightweight cardigan, which, I mean, oh, I was gonna say, which I mean, come on, what could go wrong? It has the button-up sleeves. I don't know if you can see, which are very like in right now. Everything I've been getting from everywhere I get clothes has button-up sleeves. That's alright. I like the drapiness and the length of this, and I like that. I know I will use it because I'm always cold. Alright, let's see what this all comes out to in the wash. Alright, so let's see. So I have the price list. Sorry. I always do that. The black cardigan called Night Chill is $22.99. The olive and black color block top, it's called Riley, and is $27.99. It is a dress. Haha. All made up in dark purple, $29.99, which is not a bad price for a comfy dress. The earring was $14.99. The heart necklace was $21.99. And the bracelet was $14.99. Oh, Nadine West. I love the idea behind Nadine West. I love affordable clothing in many sizes, in wide ranges of sizes. I'm not trendy enough for this particular subscription box. I'm just not. So this is my last Nadine West bag. It was fun while it lasted. I need to take a break, probably forever. I have some other things in the works, and I feel like I'm going to buy something so that I don't lose my $10. But I've been burned in the past with what I decided to keep. And whereas in this case, I will definitely wear the black cardigan, I'm not willing to risk it again. Sorry, Nadine West. It was fun while it lasted. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it until I change my mind and re-up, because I'm a sucker and I like surprises, and I'm always hoping something better will come around the next corner. But that's where we are. I really feel like I'm definitely not trendy enough, but also B, they're not really quite sure what to do with people with large sizes. Because I've heard the same story from some other unboxing videos and YouTubers that I've been watching, where they just kind of missed the mark. But mostly I think it's me. I'm just not super fashionable. But thanks for joining me on this little fun video adventure. There'll be more fun stuff to come. Not from Nadine West. But I wish you all luck if you choose to pursue a subscription with them. They do good things for other good people, just not for me. Until next time, be well. Thanks for joining me.